In today's digital age, harnessing the power of online platforms is essential for personal growth and success. That's where Tube Magic comes in. If you've ever dreamed of creating engaging YouTube content that resonates with viewers, signing up for Tube Magic could be your game changer. This innovative platform offers a treasure trove of resources designed to elevate your video making skills and boost your channel's visibility. With Tube Magic, you can expect to learn everything from crafting compelling video scripts to mastering SEO techniques that will help your content reach a wider audience. The platform provides step-by-step guidance, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned creators. Imagine having the tools to transform your ideas into captivating videos that not only entertain but also educate and inspire your viewers. But why is taking action so crucial? In a world where content is king, standing out requires more than just creativity, it demands strategy and knowledge. By signing up for Tube Magic, you're not just investing in a course, you're investing in your future. The skills you acquire can lead to increased engagement, more subscribers, and ultimately, a thriving channel that reflects your passion and dedication. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube journey to the next level, Tube Magic is the perfect place to start. Don't wait, your success story begins with a single step. Tube Magic is more than just a platform, it's a gateway to unlocking your creative potential as a content creator. With an array of tools and resources at your fingertips, Tube Magic empowers you to transform your ideas into captivating videos that resonate with audiences. From in-depth tutorials on video editing and storytelling techniques to comprehensive guides on optimizing your content for search engines, Tube Magic equips you with everything you need to succeed in the competitive world of YouTube. One of the most inspiring aspects of Tube Magic is the success stories from individuals just like you. Many users have started with little to no experience and have gone on to build thriving channels, gaining thousands of subscribers and views. For instance, one user, who initially struggled with video production, leveraged Tube Magic's resources to refine their skills and now enjoys a flourishing channel focused on travel vlogs. Their journey exemplifies how dedication, combined with the right tools, can lead to remarkable achievements. Now, imagine your own success story. Picture yourself creating engaging content that not only showcases your unique voice but also attracts a loyal audience. With Tube Magic, this vision can become a reality. By harnessing the platform's resources and learning from the experiences of others, you can unlock your creative potential and embark on a fulfilling journey as a content creator. The possibilities are endless. Are you ready to take the leap? One of the standout features of Tube Magic is its vibrant and supportive community, which plays a crucial role in the journey of every content creator. When you sign up for Tube Magic, you're not just gaining access to valuable resources, you're joining a collaborative environment filled with like-minded individuals who share your passion for video creation. This community fosters networking opportunities that can lead to partnerships, collaborations, and friendships that enhance your creative journey. Learning from others is an invaluable aspect of growth, and Tube Magic's community encourages sharing experiences and insights. Whether you're seeking feedback on your latest video or looking for tips on improving your channel's performance, you'll find a wealth of knowledge and support from fellow creators. Many members are eager to share their successes and challenges, creating a rich tapestry of learning that benefits everyone involved. Engaging with this community can provide the motivation and inspiration you need to keep pushing forward. Imagine being part of a group where members celebrate each other's milestones, offer constructive criticism, and share resources that can help you overcome obstacles. By actively participating in discussions, attending community events, or joining group challenges, you'll not only enhance your skills but also build lasting connections that can propel your YouTube journey to new heights. So, don't hesitate, Dive into the Tube Magic community and discover the power of collaboration and support in achieving your creative goals. One of the most appealing aspects of Tube Magic is its user-friendly design, making it accessible for creators of all skill levels. Navigating the platform is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive layout and straightforward features. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of experience, you'll find that accessing tools and resources is seamless. The dashboard is organized in a way that allows you to quickly locate tutorials, guides, and community forums, ensuring you spend less time searching and more time creating. For new users, Tube Magic offers a wealth of tutorials and guides that walk you through every aspect of the platform. These resources cover everything from setting up your account to optimizing your videos for maximum reach. Each tutorial is designed to be easy to follow, often featuring step-by-step instructions and visual aids that enhance your learning experience. What's more, you don't need to have any technical expertise to get started. Tube Magic is designed with the understanding that not everyone is a tech whiz. The platform simplifies complex concepts, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating engaging content. With Tube Magic, you can embark on your YouTube journey with confidence, knowing that the tools and support you need are readily available. So, if you've been hesitant to dive into video creation due to technical concerns, rest assured that Tube Magic makes it easy for anyone to succeed. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your likes not only show your support but also help others discover this valuable content. And if you want to stay updated with more tips, tricks, and insights about Tube Magic and content creation, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our growing community of creators who are on the same journey as you. Now, let's spark a conversation. What aspect of Tube Magic are you most excited to explore? Is it the video editing tutorials, the community support, or perhaps the SEO strategies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Engaging with each other can lead to new ideas and inspiration, so don't hold back. Lastly, if you're ready to take the plunge and start your own journey with Tube Magic, be sure to check the video description. You'll find a link that will guide you directly to the platform, where you can unlock your creative potential and access all the amazing resources available. Remember, every great creator started somewhere, and Tube Magic could be the key to your success. So, take action today, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Your future as a content creator awaits, and we can't wait to see what you'll create. In summary, signing up for Tube Magic offers a multitude of benefits that can significantly enhance your journey as a content creator. From user-friendly tools and resources to a supportive community of like-minded individuals, Tube Magic equips you with everything you need to succeed on YouTube. You'll gain access to valuable tutorials, networking opportunities, and a collaborative environment that fosters growth and creativity. Taking the first step towards personal growth is crucial, and Tube Magic provides the perfect platform to do just that. Whether you're looking to refine your video making skills, optimize your content for better visibility, or connect with fellow creators, this is the place to start. Remember, every successful creator began their journey with a single decision to take action, and now it's your turn. As we wrap up, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content that will guide you on your creative path. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your support. Your engagement not only motivates us but also helps others discover the valuable information we share. Explore more of our videos to continue learning and growing in your content creation journey. The world of YouTube is waiting for your unique voice. Don't hesitate to dive in and make your mark.